In this video, I'll show you how to solve if your Hitachi TV has those vertical lines appearing on the screen. Could be big lines, could be small lines, could be one or many, it doesn't matter. I'll show you a few solutions on how to fix this without opening the TV. So let's get started with the easiest of them. So you're gonna turn off the TV and then unplug it from the wall socket during 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, I want you to find the power button, sometimes located under the TV, sometimes on the side, and keep pressed that button during 30 seconds. Don't release it and be patient. Then after the time has elapsed, you're going to plug back the TV into a wall socket. Don't plug it into a power strip. Many times the power strip is the problem. Hopefully this will solve your issue and those lines will disappear when you turn on the TV. If not, well, there's another trick. Check in the back of the TV where the HDMI ports are and where the cable is connected. Unplug the HDMI cable. If you have another one laying around in your house, I suggest that you try it, just to make sure that it's not the cable the problem. And then you're going to plug back that cable into another HDMI port. Okay, so it was in HDMI 2, now I'm plugging it in HDMI port 3. If it still shows those lines, I suggest that you unplug the cable and try pressing with your finger on the HDMI port. I'll show you how. So just take your thumb, any fingers, and press many times very firmly. Give it some good taps there, because sometimes the connector behind those HDMI ports get disconnected. Then plug back the cable and push it very firmly to make sure that it's well connected. If this didn't work, solution number 3, you need to tap on the back of your TV. Take a good clean rag like this one and place it on the screen of the TV and hold it with your hand so the TV doesn't fall down. With your other hand, go on the back of your TV and give some good taps all around. Sometimes, again, things get disconnected inside of the TV and we can reconnect it just by giving it a good old tap. Tap everywhere on all the surface of the TV. It may take you 5 minutes and be patient. Don't forget to hold the TV so it doesn't fall down. Now, if this didn't work, you can also factory reset your Hitachi TV. I showed on the screen here what to do. All the steps that you can do to reset your TV. Obviously the apps will be deleted and your accounts, everything, but again, sometimes this trick solves this problem. So hopefully one of these solutions will make those lines disappear. If not, if you have another solution, please write it down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it. Somebody with a Hitachi TV that tried everything and that is desperate. And yeah, if not, just give a like, subscribe, write a comment, tell me how your day was, and I'll see you in the next one.